Council for the Indian School Certificate Examination. So dear friends, tomorrow, I mean on 17th July, ICSE Class 10th result is going to be declared, and it will be declared exactly at 5 p.m. And let us listen the notification given by ICSE and what is the weightage for semester 1 and semester 2, and how the result will be declared and what is the recounting detail. Everything will find out here. And at the same time, we'll see what the notification given by CBSE for CBSE result also. So without delaying, let us start the session. So let us go to official notification. So I want to take you the official notification. Okay, so you can see here. Here, this is the press notice given by ICSE. I want to just magnify this one. Let us. Okay. So, okay. So this is the press released notification given by ICSE. So here we can see for the tabulation, computation of ICSE 2022 examination result, equal weightage has been given for both semester 1 and semester 2, means 50-50 weightage has been given, and also we'll discuss what the weightage given by CBSE for term 1 and term 2 also. So here in ICSE, equal weightage given for semester 1 and semester 2, and also the candidate, those who did not appear either semester 1 or semester 2, they will be marks as absent. You can see here, this is the official notification given by ICSE, and they will be declared as absent and the result will not be declared. So let me take you to just a little over more. Okay, here you can see ICSE Class 10th result will be declared on Sunday 17th July at 5 p.m. So, and here how the students will be getting the result, the detail is given by the notification given here. The students will find out. Now let me take you the little more. Okay, so the students can get the result by going to see ICSE official website, or they can get the result by SMS method also. Next, one more thing. Okay, so yes, so it may be the rechecking. So here the recheck of result will be restricted only for semester 2 only. Semester 1 rechecking is already completed, so only the rechecking, if you are applying for rechecking, it will be only for what? Semester 2 only, and the rechecking link will be activated from 17th July to 23rd July. So please note down the detail. And also the students can get their certificate through DigiLocker. You can register in a DigiLocker and you can get your result also. So this is the detail about ICSE notification, and this notification came today itself only. And once more, I wish for NEET aspirants, because 17th tomorrow you have your NEET examination. So I wish all the best for the NEET aspirants, those are going to write the examination. And CBSE detail, the detail I am going to discuss in the next video. Thank you. Goodbye.